Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to change ringtone in our contact. So to customize our ringtone, let's say we want a specific ringtone to our one specific contact. Let's give mom another ringtone, not a default one. So we need to go to phone book, select contact, then this little hidden menu more here, and here we have change ringtone / vibration. We go here and we can change ringtone. Yes, allow phone to access music and audio on this device. Yes, please. And here we have our options. Let's give mom the Voyage ringtone. And that's basically it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video.